I'm up a little extra early than normal. I have a furniture delivery that they just called. They're gonna be here in like 20 minutes. Had so many workers here for the past, I don't even know how long, just trying to get the house together. So there's been a lot going on. Launching a new brand, being a new mom, learn something new every day, but all's been good over here. If you guys wanna spend the day with me? Then keep on watching. Cool, first one. Ah, cute. I have a few running around. Look, there comes another one. You coming to say hi?
That's your famous grumpy face, right?
I know, they're Persians. Thank you so much. 5.
Really?
Wow. I'm a crazy cat lady. So these are my new pots I've been waiting for. This, I actually had this ugly, not ugly, but like an ugly pot that I threw right in there. If I had a guess, Chai would be on this chair. Oh. Hi, Bear. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. Oh, Sandy. Good morning.
Good morning. Should we show everyone our tree?
The food down.
Did a little gallery.
Up, down, up,
1 year apart.
up, down. Bed.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone.
What'd you just say?
Kissing.
You're kissing the tree? That,
Wow.
you're so sweet.
Another flower.
Oh my god.
Look in the flower.
All right, let's go in the playroom, baby.
But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby. I was never.
Look at me. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Who do you think you are?
I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing.
Hi.
But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum.
Are you kidding?
Oh no, won't go up.
I know. Who did that, Lorenzo?
You did.
You did.
Yeah. Wow. You're close.
Say Santa Claus coming to town.
Circles coming down.
Yay!
Yes, circles.
Yay! Renzo, I love you.
I love you.
Do you guys need water? Want coffee or anything? Coffee. No? Just the water? This is my first time doing my makeup since I got in my laser treatment. So I'm very excited because it's been way too long. So I got it done last Tuesday and I will show you guys pictures of what I looked like. It was the CO2 laser. It was the second of 3 that you do 6 weeks apart. I'm wondering if I should put a primer on. I think that's safe. Or maybe I should skip it. I'll do a little primer. So I posted on my Instagram like a reel showing my experience, like a quick experience of the glass laser with Dr. Kaga. We're gonna do the medium Smashbox tinted moisturizer. Can you tell I have an issue? I thought I finished the other one, so I grabbed my second. Let's use a clean foundation brush. I'm scared. Oh, we're okay. I feel like most of my skin had peeled off. There's still like some dry patches, so I don't know how amazing it's gonna look, but it's gonna feel good to put myself together today. I'm like finally have a schedule for myself that I've been sticking to. So Wednesdays, obviously I spend the mornings with Lorenzo, and then Wednesdays are my work days. So I like to get whatever I can done, and my cousin Dani will take him, you know, to go do something fun. She'll out of the house to go do something fun. Like today they're going to see the trains. So it makes me feel good knowing I can get my work done and that he's out doing something fun. I tried the new Makeup Forever concealer. I feel like it's nice. It's very lightweight, which is nice. And I also just got in these from Makeup Forever that I actually really wanted to try. I'm trying this for the first time. Ow. It's the Flora tint. I misplaced my other one. Oh, why am I itchy? This has to be in a purse somewhere because I always do this. It really bothers me, but this one's not as bright. I like a really bright blush. Taking my medium Bybel spray. I just wanted to first say thank you guys so much. I just realized I haven't actually even gotten filmed since my launch video and since my launch, which is wild. There's been so much going on behind the scenes, obviously. Definitely amazing owning your own brand, but all kinds of hiccups come along the way and you gotta face them head on. So thank you guys so much to everybody for, one, when I posted the video and I saw all of your reactions and your comments, like I just cried multiple times. You guys have no idea, like this has just been a dream of mine forever, and it's crazy that, you know, the time is finally now. So thank you guys so much. And thank you to everyone who went out and purchased. To give you guys an update on this beautiful, amazing palette. I'm gonna announce on Instagram and everywhere when we're finally shipping, but it's gonna be any day now. Everyone who did buy the palette on the day of launch, those will be shipped as soon as possible within the next couple of days, as I mentioned. And then we're hoping for a restock next week. Thank you for being patient. Thank you for bearing with me. Thank you for all the amazing reviews so far. Thank you to my amazing customer service who's been on it, you know, making replacements for any damaged items, because now this time of year, like things are just thrown around. So this is all a learning experience, and I'm so grateful and honored. And actually, speaking of, I have finally touched for the first time the PR box. It's downstairs. I'm gonna show it to you guys, and I'm gonna ask your opinion on something, but let me first get ready. Palette is just perfection, and I'm so proud of it, and I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on it. It'll be worth the wait, I promise. My magical, beautiful, perfect in every way eyeliner. Aw, it just picked up to use as a mirror, and it's Stev. We're gonna do a little bit of that same matte brown. We are gonna go in with Emmanuel lip liner. Such a beautiful dark brown. We're gonna go in with Amy. And then I'm taking my beauty blender, like what's ever left, for the center. And then we're gonna go back in with Emanuela. We're gonna go in with this nude Makeup Forever pencil. And then we're gonna go in with Jody Gloss. And then for blush, I'm gonna use something that's actually a sample. I feel like I want like a little bit of orange, just a little. Hi, baby man, you're so cute. Sweet boy, I love you. Okay, makeup done. Let's go get dressed. So for the front piece, I just curl the bottom, and then I'll use the straightener for the front pieces. I just like how it looks better. So my grandma called before. I'm gonna go cut her hair for her. I've been cutting her hair forever. And then we're gonna go grab an early dinner. So once Renzi naps, we're gonna go do that. All dressed, going to sneak away to get my nails done because it's been 3 weeks. Luckily I did this color last time. I think I wanna do French today, let's see. Guys, this lip combo though, it is a good one. Oh, why thank you. Hey, nails are done. Feeling fresh, much needed. Gonna head home. I am starving. Dani had made me a nice healthy meal. So grateful for her. Follow her Instagram, and for anyone in Jersey, she does meal preps. So I will link her Instagram right here. They are working behind me. I'm adding a door in my kitchen. Joyful bites.
Okay, so hi.
What's in the meatball bowl? And then wait, you said tzatziki? Do we have?
Yeah, I took it out. Probably on the counter over there.
I love tzatziki.
So it is Greek meatballs. So I use ground chicken, feta, red onion, and spinach,
Yeah.
and some spices. Then I just do some brown rice with also the same spices, lemon juice and lemon zest, and also sauteed spinach mixed throughout.
Oh my
Thank
God.
you. Every which way. Woo! Let's just jump forward now.
Got a bunch of snacks to put out for all my delivery guys. I'm gonna end up posting this video of people showing up at my house stealing my snacks that aren't delivered people.
Yeah.
This is the watermelon salad. We got watermelon.
Feta, red onions, some lime juice. There's a little honey.
So good. Like, who would think onion and watermelon would go together?
I know.
I remember the first time I saw this, it was at like my friend's barbecue. And I was like, in my head, I'm like, what the actual? And then I think I had 27 helpings.
Some like cucumber. Both refreshing.
Yeah, that would be good in here. So I have a very, I'm taking this jacket off. Okay, so I finally got my hands on my PR box. Okay, but the first thing I'm gonna ask you guys, and I really need your opinions like ASAP. This is it. I have some metal, like 3D metal butterflies and my logo. They come with this protective sticker. You could see the line around it that peels off. So my question is, do I peel all the stickers off before I send them out because it looks more aesthetically pleasing? Like I peeled this one off, and I just like, when I first saw it, I was like, wait, why is there that square around it? And it's, again, to protect the metal. Or do I leave the sticker on so that way you guys can peel it off yourself at home? I really need your take on this because I'm really torn, because I think it looks so much better like to open the box and like see it as is. I am peeling it off though right now because I want to show you guys so you could see. Let me show you close. It's so hard to hold this. It's so big and heavy. So the sticker, see, comes right off. Okay, so this is really what it looks like. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, I love it. Dum 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 dum. So there's a full-size mirror with my logo, just like the palette, and it says Aspire to Inspire on it. We did a light pink inside. Also, the butterflies in here have the stickers too. We got the palettes, the eyeliner, and then we have these beautiful metal blue butterflies, of course. We got draw one with all of the highlighters and the lip glosses. All of the lip products on the 3rd level. Oh, it's just so beautiful. It's one thing that a lot of people don't talk about when they have their own brand or when they're starting their own brand is, you know, all the crazy delays that you're not expecting. Really wanted to launch on 11/11 because obviously it's 11/11 and the day was so special for me. We were gonna originally launch on my birthday. That didn't happen, so I was like 11/11 period. And of course, you know, there were some delays, so I still wanted to have my special day, but I'm so excited to be restocking any day now. It's beautiful. I gotta go get Renz because he just woke up, and gonna get him dressed, and we're gonna go to Grandma. The whole thing went, yeah. Careful. We have a door. Yay! So cool. I just ate a Snickers.
Mommy.
And it's on my face.
Mommy.
Where are you? Where are you, Renzo?
Oh, Mommy.
Renzo.
Oh,
All right, where are we going?
Boogie.
We're gonna go see Brookie and who else?
Kaka.
Me and Renzi cuddle now. I go in his crib with him till he falls asleep, and like, I know everyone's like, you shouldn't do that, but it is my favorite time of day. Right, Renzi?
Yeah.
Does mommy come in the crib with you?
Yeah.
I feel like it's been a while since I've done like a daily vlog, and honestly, I had so much fun filming this today. Please let me know about those PR boxes. Do I take the sticker off or do I not? Guys, these are like the things that I have to decide when I'm such a perfectionist and I have so many people buying my products. It's a lot. Hi, baby. It's a lot because I just want everyone to be happy, which I know is, it's, what, baby? You found it in the crib? What? Your, what?
Oh, where did Papa go?
I don't know, sweetie.
And Mama get one.
It's a fault, but it's also, I guess, a good thing because I, you know.
Oh, where did Papa go?
You want a pop pop?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Go in, it's so chilly. Hello, gorgeous. Hi.
You look so handsome. I love that outfit. My Hanukkah tree and my Christmas tree.
Wow.
You like that?
It's an on.
Oh, wow.
Harriet. And who's this? Santa Claus.
Oh, good job, Renzo. That's Gigi. Papa.
I know.
Happy.
Yeah. Happy.
We're here. Look at your little Hanukkah table and Christmas tree. Nice mixture. Just looking at all the photos and, who's this?
Ask your mom who that is.
Dana doesn't want.
Look at my baby.
Dana doesn't want to take pictures off her phone and make real pictures and put in frames.
Aunt
She
Dana.
never wants that. By breaking the pictures and make an album.
Okay.
So when he gets older.
I know. I agree. Brooke, do you want to be in my vlog? Should we get Grandma's bosoms?
Don't you dare.
Look at me to shake it.
Okay. Hi. Hey. It's almost that time of year again. Do you know what I'm talking about?
A video.
Yeah, what are we gonna do?
Whatever you want.
I love your hair.
He called me to shake this.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm probably gonna have to sleep over.
Oh yeah, I figured that.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, that's good. Well, listen, if you want to sleep, you can either sleep with me or I have the whole guest room. Whatever you want.
Is there a
I have a whole guest room but it's upstairs.
is there a TV in there?
Yes, there is.
Oh, then that's where I'll sleep.
Do you like your haircut?
I love it.
Yeah?
Oh, you should be professional.
Look how gorgeous you are. I love you.
I love you too.
Mommy.
Gorgeous.
I feel 10 pounds lighter now.
Do you? So cute. Where are we gonna go for dinner?
How about grill stone?
Ooh,
What a great idea.
Yeah,
We
my
haven't been
favorite.
there in a week or so.
I know. Can't wait.
I love you.
Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Ben, are you enjoying your chocolate too much?
It's all okay. I gotta wash my coat.
Yeah.
Gotta wash my face. Gotta take a shower now.
Let me see. You do.
That's right.
Wow.
And I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side.